f of x dx. So this kind of questions here is a is called lower limit, and here b is called, small b is called upper limit, lower limit, upper limit, right? So how we can read this integral a to b, not b to a, integral lower limit to upper limit, integral a to b. Okay, fine. How can we solve this? This can be solved by first, I am taking this integral f of x dx. This is an indefinite integration. There is no limits. This value I am taking as capital F of x. Okay, first we can evaluate that indefinite integration. Just running. Indefinite integration. Okay, so after finding f of x, okay, so I is equal to f of x from, you can take like a to b. Now you can substitute upper limit first, f of b minus f of a, f of b minus f of a. So this will give I is equal to f of b minus f of a will give the, right students, I is equal to f of b minus f of a. Okay, next step, evaluate the definite integral in exercise 1 to 20. So see students, the first one is I is equal to integral, limits are minus 1 to 1, x plus 1 into dx, x plus 1 into dx. So this is equal to, first we have to evaluate this x plus 1. Integral x value. What is integral x, students? Integral x, x square by 2. Integral 1, x from minus 1 to 1. I found the integral of x. I got it x square by 2. One integral is x from minus 1 to 1. Now this is the f of x. Otherwise in NCERT, if you want to write the steps, you may write like this: capital F of x is equal to integral of x plus 1. Okay, x plus 1 dx. This is equal to clearly x square by 2 plus x. After that, I is equal to, what about that integral value? With here you can write, therefore by this theorem is called second fundamental theorem of calculus. Actually, second fundamental theorem of calculus. Second fundamental theorem of calculus. Okay, second fundamental theorem of calculus. So I is equal to, we can written as upper limit. What is the upper limit, students? F of 1 minus f of minus 1. So I is equal to f of 1 means what is f of x? F of x value is x square by 2 plus 1. Now substitute in place of x1, 1 square by 2 plus 1 minus bracket minus 1 square by 2 minus 1. See, in place of x, I substituted upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit, lower limit. So this is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. Here minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Here 1 by 2 get cancelled. This is equal to 2. I nothing but what? Integral minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx. So given integral value is 2. Once again, let us consider the given integral as capital I. Capital I is equal to minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx. First we have to find capital F of x, that is x plus 1 dx. So if it is, the questions are like OBT questions, answer will do within 2 seconds. Like this is clear, log 1 by x dx is log x from where to where? 2 to 3. So first apply the upper limit, log 3 minus log 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. In place of x, substitute upper limit minus lower limit. This is same as log a minus log b, log a by b. This is the answer. Don't write plus c here. Don't write plus c here, because here we are getting particular value. Particular value. Okay. In indefinite integration, we don't know the value. We don't know x value. But here x values are given. What is maximum limit and what is the minimum limit? Upper limit and lower limit. Then what about this answer here? For example, this question is there. E power x is e power x. From where to where? 4 to 5. First upper limit, e power 5 minus e power 4. That's it. Answer tan x is there. What is the answer? Secant square x from where to where? 0 to pi by 4. Nothing but what is the answer? Secant square pi by 4 minus secant square 0. That's it. Secant square pi by 4 is root 2. Square means 2. 2 minus secant. Secant 0 is what, student? 1. So this is answer is 1. So here what to do? Cosecant x is what is the integral cosecant x? Log of mod cosecant x minus cot x. Directly formula from where to where? 30 to 45. Substitute in place of x 45 minus 30. So this is what about this? Sine inverse x from where to where? 0 to 1. Sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. Sine 90 is 1, 0. The answer is pi by 2. Roughly I am explaining you, because compared to indefinite, definite are easy. Sine 2x is there. What is integral sine 2x? Integral sine 2x is like minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. From where to where limits? 0 to pi by 4. Now in place of x, substitute 45. Here cos 2x is there. Sine 2x by 2. From where to where? 0 to pi by 2. Okay. All questions. Here just evaluate this, apply the upper limit, lower limit. Here UV rule, not UV rule. First we can take x square as the substitution method. But while doing the substitution method, we have to change the upper limit, lower limit also. Upper limit, lower limit also are going to be changed. Got it? Okay, like that. So when you come to this question number 18, let us see here. Cos square, first take minus common. When I take minus common, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, that is nothing but, what is cos square theta minus sin square theta?
Cos 2 x by 2 cos
Yeah,
x.
that is cos x. Here it is just cos x dx. Cos x nothing but what? Sin x. From where to where? 0 to pi. Answer is simply 0 will get. Because sin 180 0, sin 0 is 0. So like that, simple question. Here UV rule. You can apply UV rule. This is will get directly. Here secant square is 2 tan x. X cube is x power 4 by 4. 2 is 2x. Secant integral secant square is tan x. X cube is x power 4 by 4. 2 is 2x. Now 0 to pi by 4. Okay, here in definite integration, the questions are based on a few questions, maybe direct formulas, direct integration, few are like substitution method, few are partial fractions. In few cases, we may apply partial fractions. Okay, in few cases, we may apply UV rule. Whatever the method we are studied in indefinite integration, those methods we apply here, but compared to indefinite, definite are easy. When you see the questions are easy. Okay, even OBT also becomes easy. For example, this question is there. This is nothing but what? Tan inverse x from where to where? 1 to root 3. See, what is the concept? First apply the upper limit. Tan inverse root 3 minus tan inverse 1. This is equal to what? Tan inverse root 3 means root 3 nothing but tan. What is tan?
60.
60 minus 45, that is 15. 15 nothing but pi by 12. That's it. Got it? A simple question. Your next question also. This is nothing but what? It can be written as 0 to 2 by 3. And this is about 4 can be written as 2 square. 3x the whole square is 9x square is 3x. This is like a square plus x square, like above. This is 1 by a value 2, x value 3x, tan inverse 3x by 2. Actually, this is now you can apply the upper limit minus 0 to 2 by 2. Now 1 by 2 times of tan inverse 3 into x value 2 by 3 by 2. In place of x, I substituted upper limit minus tan inverse 0. So this is about 1 by 2 times of tan 3, 3, 2, 2 get cancelled. Tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4. Tan inverse 0, 0. So this is pi by 8. Pi by 8. Okay, sorry, if I forget to write one thing. What is that, student? Anyone can identify that?
Coefficient of x.
Yes, exactly, absolutely right. Coefficient of x is what, students? Here 3. You should write whole divided by 3. By 3. 8 3 is a 24. This is the answer. So many times I repeated here, don't forget to write x coefficient whole divided by 3. Got it? So
Sir,
like,
first you have to integrate the given integrand and then substitute the values.
yes, yes. First you can evaluate that integral, then substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So any question, students, any question, you may take question first, without limits you can take that question. I hope that you understood that. Okay. How much it is easy compared to definite integration. Right. What question will do, students? Like you can try to do the third one, because this is equal to 4x power 4 by 4 and minus 5x cube by 3, 6x square by 2 plus 9x. Like 1 to 2 upper limit, in place of x substitute first 2 minus substitute 1. You'll get the answer. Okay, now let us do, shall I do question number 4 or else any other question number? Okay, question number 4. Explain all the question. Anyhow, we'll do that. I is equal to integral way to 0 to pi by 4, 0 to 45 sine 2x into dx. Here, I told you very clearly, find f of x. Objective question will do like that. If in coming to the descriptive, you can take a capital F of x or without limits, like integral sine 2x dx. First, you have to evaluate. This is minus cos 2x all divided by 2. This is about f of x. What is I? With help of, therefore, by second fundamental theorem of calculus. Which theorem? Second fundamental theorem of calculus. We obtain this is upper limit is what? Pi by 4. Lower limit is what? F of 0. That's all. Just in place of x, substitute pi by 4 minus cos 2 into pi by 4 by 2 minus of bracket minus cos 2 into 0 by 2. Yeah, students, anyone, yeah, 2 2s are. Cos 90, what is cos 90, Amma? 0. Minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Cos 0, 1. The answer is 1 by 2. Is it right? 2 into pi by 4, that is cos 90. Cos 90 becomes 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Got it? Then you can do this, you can do this, you can do this tan x also. I already done it. Secant, yeah, cosecant x will do it, because cosecant x formula is different. 30 to 45. So I is equal to integral of pi by 6 to pi by 4 cosecant x dx. Okay, f of x. F of x value is only integral cosecant x dx. This is log mod cosecant x minus cot x. Am I right, students? Am I right? This is f of x. What is I? F of upper limit pi by 4 minus f of lower limit pi by 6. I is equal to f of pi by 4, in place of x substitute 45. So modulus cosecant of pi by 4 minus cot pi by 4 minus log mod cosecant of pi by 6 minus cot pi by 6. Got it? Log, what is cosecant 45? Shall I take root 2? 1 minus cosecant of 30. What is cosecant 30, students? 2 minus cot 30. Students, cot 30. Is it root 3?
Search root 3.
Okay, so this is like log a minus log b root 2 minus 1 by 2 minus root 3. That's all. Got it, students? Having any doubts? Cosecant x. Okay, this is like a easy one only. So next one is like you can do this directly, sine inverse of x, sine inverse 1, sine this pi by 2, you will get the answer. Question number 10, 0 to 1. I is equal to integral 0 to 1, 1 by 1 plus x square dx. This is nothing but what, students? Tan inverse x from where to where? 0 to 1. What is tan inverse 1? They may give for just 2 marks or else objective question pi by 4. That's it. This is the answer. You may do directly also sometimes. If you don't have time to write f of x is equal to like that, you can write directly tan inverse x like that. Okay, now you can do this 1 by dx by x square minus 1. What about this? This you can do. Question number 12. That you can try, students. Question number 12 I am going to do. I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Actually the same question. So generally next exercise, the same question, whenever the limits are, some of the limits are, like if I comparing with a to b, then a plus b is equal to 90 alone. 90 alone. What is 0 plus pi by 2? 90 or not? 90. So this case, we can write like this. Integral 0 to pi by 2 becomes cos square pi by 2 minus x. This is one of the property. So 0 to pi by 2. Cos square 90 minus x means sin square x. Okay, don't go through that. Just I'm explaining that second method. This is second method. This is 2. When I adding equation 1 and 2, left side is I plus I. Right side is integral common 0 to pi by 2. From first one cos square x plus second one sin square x. Here dx also, dx is common, integral is common, cos square plus sin square becomes 1. So 2i is equal to, this is 1. 1 integral is x from 0 to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus 0. So this is 2i, but we required only I value, I is equal to pi by 4. This is the answer for cos square. The same question once again I am going to explain you in next exercise. But another way, this is method 2. In method 1, what to do? I is equal to integral cos square x dx from where to 0 to pi by 2. Yeah, students, f of x. First you can evaluate integral cos square x. This already we have done. We have done in indefinite. Cos square x can be written as cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. You can replace here 1 plus cos 2x by 2 into dx. Now what is 1 integral? F of x is equal to, finally 1 by 2 is outside. 1 is x, cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. Okay, this is f of x, but what is I? F of upper limit is what? Pi by 2 minus f of lower limit is 0, upper limit, lower limit. What, see, we got f of x, now you can substitute upper limit. Okay, so f of pi by 2 means in place of x substitute pi by 2 plus sine 2 into pi by 2 by 2. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is, okay, 1 by 2 is common for both. 0 minus, sorry, plus sine 0 by 2. Second term, anyhow, it is 0. I substituted here in place of x pi by 2 minus 0. So 1 by 2, this is pi by 2. Pi by 2. Yes, students, here 2 to get cancelled here. 2 to get cancelled. What is sine 180? 0. 0 by 2 minus 0. So this is equal to pi by 4. I is equal to pi by 4. Got it? In both the cases, we got the same answer. But this method 2 is very easiest method. Method 2 is easiest one. Okay, not only that.
So could you explain method 2 again?
Sorry, method 2.
Could you explain it one more time?
Yeah, this why I'm saying I'm going to explain you 7.2 means there are few properties are there. Properties. If I explain the properties in details, then you can easily understand this method 2. Don't worry about method 2. Once again, I'll explain. Clear, Kishore? Just
Okay.
to replace x by this pi by 2 minus x. That's all. In place of x, substitute pi by 2 is there. 0 plus pi by 2 minus x. That I have replaced, I got sine square. The given question has equation 1. After replacing that equation 2, adding both the equation, left side is I plus I 2i. In both the equation, integral is common, dx is common, integral common. So remaining here cos square plus sine square, 1. 1 integral is, here it is 1 integral is x from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, I can explain, no problem. And coming to the next one is you can do this questions to in 13th, first multiply and dividing with 2 here. When I multiply and dividing with 2, no, here I told you very important property, f dash of x by f of x. This is equal to what? Log mod f of x, right, Swain?
Yes, sir.
X square. Yeah, that's it. 1 by 2 times of log mod x square plus 1. That's all. Substitute upper limit and lower limit. 2 to 3. In place of x, substitute upper limit. In place of x, substitute lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. That's all. I'm going to do the 14th one, quite difficult. 14th one is, what is I integral like 5x plus 3 by, sorry, 2x plus 3 by 5x square plus 1. Clear, students? Okay, fine. Given integral from where to where limits here? Limits 0 to 1. So I want to write it separately, 2x by 5x square plus 1 into dx plus 3 by pi x square plus 1 into dx. I'll do one thing. I is equal to, okay, what is the derivative of denominator? Students, anyone? What is 5x square plus 1 derivative?
So it's 10x.
10x. What is numerator? Is here we having any 10x here? Numerator? No. 2x. How can you make them to 10x? Multiply and dividing with 5.
Multiply and divide by 5.
Yeah. Shall I write now 10x by 5x square plus 1 into dx? Now here 3 is a constant. You can take it outside. Then 1 by, shall I write here 5x square as root 5 into x the whole square plus 1 as 1 square into dx. See, actually, you may take like this in NCERT to write more number of steps I1, I2. You can take I1 as the first integrand, it's I2 as the second integral. You can evaluate separately the first I1 and evaluate I2, then adding both. And also remember students, your limits cannot be changed, your limits are same. 0 to 1, here 0 to 1, here 0 to 1, here 0 to 1. Okay, actual integration belongs to term 2, again will, okay, I can clarify your doubts, no doubt in that. Okay, now see here, the derivative of denominator is in numerator, log 5x square plus 1. Log of denominator, am I right? Plus 3 times of. This is like, this is in the form of integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx is equal to what formula, students? Formula is?
Sir, tan, inverse of
Exact.
tan.
In tan inverse of x, root 5x. All divided by girls, anyone? All divided by root 5. X coefficient is what here? X coefficient is root 5 plus. Don't write plus here. From where to where? Limits here. 0 to 1. So here it is 0 to 1. Here it is 0 to 1. Okay. So if there is any constant, you can take constant outside 1 by 5 bracket. Log of, yeah, 5 into 1 square plus 1 minus upper limit I substituted minus lower limit, log of 5 into 0 square plus 1. Okay, next in second integral 3 by root 5 is a constant bracket tan inverse of root 5 into 1 minus tan inverse of lower limit 0. Then what about this 1 by 5 times of log 6 minus log 1? Okay, log tan inverse root 5 minus 0. Yeah, what is log 1 value? Anyone?
Sir, it's 1.
Sriniti, is it log 1 is 1 or 0?
0.
Sriniti. Shanmati.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the value of the integration from 0 to 1, this question. So what I've done here, linear by quadratic, so that I have written separately like 2x by this, 3 by this. So after that, uh, it is like f dash of x by f of x form. So multiplying and dividing with 5, you can make them to standard form. Then after I have written directly standard form here. Okay. And I apply the formula and I substituted upper limit and lower limit and simplify, we got it. That's it. Yeah, question number 15 I can explain you, because this is about regarding to substitution method. How we are going to change the limits also. 0 to 1 x e power x square, simple question. And the substitution, the questions which is related to substitution are important. Integral x e power x square into dx, fine. 0 to 1. See students, this is, let us take 1. I'm going to take like let The same question we already solved in definite integration. Am I right? Let us take t is equal to x square, or x square is equal to t. T is equal to x square. Then dt is equal to 2x dx. Am I right? 2x
Yes, sir.
dx. Yeah. See, already x dx is there here. What is dt by 2 is x dx. Fine. This is about yeah. This is about like dx and x square. Then limits. Yeah. See here, these limits are belongs to which variable? Amma? The limits are belongs to whatever the variable is given. Like if they given dx, limits are belongs to x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. If they given dt, don't think about integrand. Integrand may be in terms of t, z, y, x, like that. But whether it is there is any, like there is a dx or dt or dy, dz. So d of some variable is there, the limits are belongs to that variable. If I write here t here, you should take t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1, like that. Got it? So here the limits are clearly x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. X limits here. Okay, fine, students. When I'm going to see here, already what I have taken substitution, t is equal to x square. When I take x is equal to 1, which implies what is t value, Amma? Substitute x value in place of x, 1 square, that is 1. When x is equal to 0, lower limit, what is t value? X value substitute here, 0 square, that is 0. So the limits are not changed in this question. Yeah, limits are not changed. Limits are as it is. Okay, but not in all questions, very rare questions, very few questions, the limits may be changed here. Okay, according to this question, when x is equal to 0 to 1, even t also 0 to 1. So from 1, substitute all values in equation 1. From 1, I is equal to, limits are as it is, 0 becomes 0, 1 becomes 1. But x dx becomes dt by 2. So e power t into dt by 2. Got it? 1 by 2 you can take outside. E power t integral is e power t from where to where? 0 to 1. So 1 by 2 times of e power 1 minus e power 0. That is 1 by 2 times of e minus 1. E power 1 is e, e power 0 is 1. So this is the required answer for the given question. Once again, substitution method you can do very carefully. X square I'm taking as t, then I found the dx value. Then I'm finding the corresponding limits, corresponding t limits. X limits are there. We are converting in terms of t. All x value we are converting in terms of t. So I found the corresponding t value also. Limits are as it is. Then e power t becomes e power t. Then upper limit minus lower limit. Got it? This is the value of. Now coming to the next questions, you can try to do this, students. Today evening 5 to 6. Doubt clarification as well as paper discussion. You can try to do the questions, students, remaining. All are easy only.